going to have in our class folder, we're going to have 3 files. Names, I put 4 names just to keep everything organized from 1, 2, and 3. App.js and utils.js, which we're going to have our methods and functions in the utils, and we're going to export them into our app.js file. So let's first start with our utils, and we're going to make a method called say hi. And this is the syntax for creating that method. And when we call that method, it's going to insert our name there where in line 2 and call us a hose head. But we have to export this, otherwise it won't appear in our file, in our app file, when we run the Node app. So this is the syntax. Now let's look at our names. So we're making 3 constant variables, say Larry and Daryl. But we're not going to use the secret variable, so it's going to be hidden. And this is one way to do it. Okay, so we're going to use our module exports Larry and Larry. Also, we're going to export this file. And we're going to export both of these files to our app file, our app.js file. And this is how we do that. We start a simple function with the name parameter. We are going to put Larry and Daryl in a separate module, which we did. And we called it, we called it fornames.js. So here's the syntax, and you have to put, like we said last time, you have to do that. Put the dot and the /. You don't need to use console.log names. So I just graded out, commented it out. And so we call the say hi function, which will say, hello, Larry, you are a hose head. So we got to call the names, variables that we used, and Larry and Daryl. So let's run this and see what it does. And we're going to go NODE APP. Hello, Larry, you are a hose head. Hello, Daryl, you are a hose head. Now, there's several ways to do this, but this is one that seems to work pretty good. I tried a few other ways and got some errors, but this one will definitely work. So if something works, just stick with it. Why need to make things more difficult? Okay, now don't forget to save everything if it needs saving.